Good morning. It's Foxy shouts hi from his bedroom. It is what, mate? I'm not coming in there, mate. It's the 1st of March, so happy first. Because I'm not coming in there, mate. You come here if you want to come and shout at the camera. Yeah, it's the 1st of March. It is 6:46 in the morning. I am so fucking tired in the state of me. This is the day when I'm glad that I've had my lashes done because I can just literally do nothing. I know I look like shit, but I don't care. Fox was awake. I went to bed at like 10:30 and Fox was up every hour from 11 until 4. No, 3. So that was super fun. Just because he's coughing and he kept coughing his dirt out and then he wants his dirt again, so and he can't find it, so I go put it back in and he goes back to sleep, and it's literally like takes me 45 seconds, but it just was when you get woken up like that, I'm just I feel a bit drunk tired again. My tattoo is so sore. Oh, I can't even remember if I showed you yesterday. I don't think I did. I think I was shit, obviously. But yeah, I am a tummy sleeper, and I tried really hard to sleep on my back, but I just ended up rolling over, and so I've just laid on it all night, and now it's really red. But be careful not to show you my minge. So this is her. She's beautiful. She's called Pearl. I love her so much. I booked in again for a few weeks' time, which I'm very excited about. I'm getting a moon skull. I don't know why I'm filming over there. A moon skull and a creepy baby head. I think I'm going to get Athene to just fill my legs with all of her flash because it's just all so beautiful. I love it so much. I want to get fucking Gladys covered though. I hate her so much. This is Gladys. This cunt. I hate her so much. The tattooist that did her just was not into the design at all. And I asked him to like redraw it, and he basically just did the same one that I'd sort of given him as an inspiration. I wanted this as a gerbera like it is, and he drew it as a rose and was like, it'll look stupid with a gerbera, and I was like, I don't fucking like roses, and it just, I just hate it, but I genuinely don't know what I can do with it because it's so fucking big and shit. I hate it so much. I'm so grumpy with it. One day, or I'll get it lasered, I don't know, but I feel like I might die if I have that done because that's meant to be really fucking painful. Yeah, it's strikes today. Aria's school and the nursery are on strike today. So Foxy can't go in and Ari can't go in. Mika's school is not on strike, so we still have to get up and take her in. But I may just go in my pyjamas. Oh, my mum is coming today. Mika's just tried on her World Book Day costume. It doesn't fucking fit. And it's also, I didn't realise it was, I think it's one Ben's mum made for his sister, so Auntie Mimi. And it's like got little shorts that you step into, and it's a tutu, and then it's like a little fairy costume, but it does up with like eyelets at the back. And she put it on, and I was like, shit, how are you gonna go to the toilet? Because it doesn't unbutton underneath, and she can't unbutton the back herself. So I was like, right, we're gonna have to sack that off. You're gonna have to wear something else. I can't find the dressing up box now. I don't know where I've put it. I've tidied it away somewhere. Far too good, and it's gone now. And yeah, so I'm gonna have to just spend the day trying to find costumes. Fox wants to be a fucking dragon made of cardboard. He's literally said he doesn't want to do anything for like weeks. I said, do you want to dress up for World Book Day? Because he's only there for 3 hours tomorrow. He said, no, I don't want to do anything. And then literally yesterday morning he was like, I want to be a dragon made of cardboard. I was like, fucking A, mate, amazing. And then I need to find a tie for Aria's one because she's being the worst witch. So hers is easy, but it's just Ippa now because she has literally nothing to wear. So, all right, Ippa Bomb Bipper. Yeah. Is that t-shirt on backwards? No. Is it on inside out? Oh no, it's not. It's fine. I thought she had a top on backwards. Your jumper's downstairs, but don't put your jumper on until after you've had your breakfast. Yeah. I'm gonna go on and talk to you later and try and find a bloody costume for this child. Back from the school run. Mika is in school. Arya and Fox are playing. I'm trying to tidy up the absolute fucking shithole of my room. I'm going to do a tarot. I am capable of setting boundaries. Am I? Am I? Not confident on that one. But we shall see. Yeah, I'm just going to try and tidy because it is a shithole. So I'm going to do this, and then I need to do every other fucking room in the house as well. Sarge says he's going to tidy his room.
Mum, I'm started.
You're going to start it? Okay, you come tell me when you're ready, okay? Is that bin lorry full of Duplo? No, is it okay?
Okay.
Right, you tell me when you're... What's happened down here? Why is there crisps on the floor?
Cause.
Why is there a crisp in the bin lorry?
Cause.
Right, you start tidying and tell me when you're ready and I'll come check.
Yeah. The metal and plastic.
It is. Who's here?
Granny.
Let's go see Granny. Are you walking down the stairs, are you? You think you're a big boy?
Mum, you know Granny Nana.
Her name is Granny Nanny, yeah, but you can call her Granny if you want.
Yeah.
Oh, where is she? Should we let her in?
Yeah.
I'm so excited.
Hello.
Little weirdos. Oh, careful, sausage. We're going to make Granny Nana a coffee first, Bubby.
Coffee time.
Think about that.
Maybe. We're going this way?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
I'm being rubbish at vlogging, so I need
You're
to...
a bit cold, darling.
I had a tattoo yesterday. My fucking leg hurts.
Right, I was going to say.
It's so sore.
You must be mad.
No, it's so sore. Let's get your reaction to it. Let's get Mum's reaction to my new tattoo.
Oh my
Granny.
goodness, Lucy.
Granny Nana.
I know, doll.
Granny.
Do you not like it?
Well,
She's pretty, isn't she? She's called Pearl.
Pearl, lovely.
Do you not like her?
Nana. Granny.
Probably not.
Granny.